tala, 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 tala. Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to this video. Yeah, today is just a typical day of a remote software developer living in Nigeria. Yeah, first of all, I am just like scared, like shy to make this kind of video, but I later decided to make this video for you guys to see. Yes, the day-to-day activities of a typical software developer, remote software developer working in the country called Nigeria. Yeah, first of all, it's not always easy working remotely. The first thing I came up with is just to work on a design like this. When I work up a design like this, the end goal for me to work on this design, this kind of design, is just to post it on my social media. I also I have so many social media and where I belongs to. I have Instagram. I have it's just a lot of, and also embark on the Flask project where I make use of Google authentications and authorizations. The reason why I make use of Google authentications because apart from using the normal usual route of signing in and signing out of users, I want users to have another alternative of signing using Google route. So that's why I mix of Google authentications here, and I also make use of Stripe integration inside the SaaS project. The SaaS project which I built on top of Flask, and I want to give users access to be able to upgrade them from the premium plan to premium plan, because I believe when users enjoy the features I have given to them on the free plan, they might want to upgrade towards the premium plan, and that's why I make subscribe, because I don't take care of any kind of any kind of payment gateway, payment integration by myself, because it will be a lot of my head. So I just have to give users access to make it subscribe, and to pay via their debit or credit card, and that's just that about that. So if you like this kind of video, and if you want to make a special video on how to create a SaaS project using Flask, I will be able to do that. Just drop your view, drop your question in the comment section below and answer your question. Yeah, that's just how a day-to-day activities of a remote software developer working in Nigeria just like. So, and if you have any inquiries about what I've said, you can just drop your inquiries in the comment section below. Sometimes when I get bored while working on project while coding, I'm always on my headset, and this headset is something that I get inspired. That when I put it on my head, I get inspired to work more and to work more harder. Because most time when I use my headset, mostly I play classical songs, and when I play classical songs, I'll be to work more harder and to dream more harder. So that's just a typical day of a remote software developer working in Nigeria. Thank you so much for watching my video, and bye for now.